Hello all. This tutorial will help you to understand how to set a new layout in the paper space using Page Setup. Once you click Layout 1 on the bottom of the screen, you will see the models you made in the model space in a rectangular box. It is called a viewport. There is a dashed line that is inside of the white space. It is called a printable area. And the white space called a layout. Once you change the paper size to print, the layout and the printable area will change accordingly. Update Page Setup for a 11 inches by 17 inches PDF document. Step 1. Open Page Setup Manager. Mouse right-click on Layout 1. Click Page Setup Manager. Click Layout 1 and select Modify to open the page setup. Step 2. Edit Page Setup. Click the name of printer or plotter, and switch to DWG to PDF.PC3. Update paper size to ANSI Full Bleed B, 17.00 x 11.00 inches. Confirm what to plot, layout. Confirm plot scale to 1:1. Change plot style table to monochrome.ctb. Check display plot styles. Check landscape for the drawing orientation. Click OK to close the Page Setup, Layout 1 window. Click Close to close the Page Setup Manager window. Step 3. Confirm the layout with updated sheet size. Step 4. Update the name of the sheets and add sheets. To update the name of sheet, mouse right-click on the tab. Click Rename. Rename on the tab. To add a sheet, click Plus tab. Update the name of the layout 1 to A101. A101 is for the floor plans. Update the name of the layout 2 to A102. A102 is for the furniture plans. Add a new layout and change the name to A401. A401 is for RCPs. Add a new layout and change the name to A601. A601 is for the section view and the elevation. Step 5. Update other sheets to 11x17 PDF. Mouse right-click on A102. Open Page Setup Manager. Select A101. Click Set Current. Click Close. Repeat this process for A401 and A601. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to set a new layout in the paper space using Page Setup. Thank you.